Hey guys, and welcome to our kitchen. So Ed and I love to cook together. It's something that we've always enjoyed since we first started dating. But then a few years ago, we got really hooked on meal prepping because it made life so easy at a time where we were super busy. But now that we've moved out here to the farm, we really want to kind of transition back, especially since we're growing our own food now and really leaning into a cleaner, healthier lifestyle. So we're committing to make 1 to 2 home-cooked meals a week where we can enjoy some time together in the kitchen and then sit around the table and eat a home-cooked meal. And that means that we're gonna have some more recipes to share with you guys here, and I'm really excited about that. But this is not that video. Ed and I were talking last weekend about something that I love to do that I've never shared here or on the blog before, and I'm gonna share that today. And this may come as no surprise to you guys, as the first recipe that I'm going to share, it's actually a recipe for dog treats. I've actually been making our own dog treats since we got Maverick 7 years ago. And there was a whole lot of scare in store-bought treats and dogs were dying and stuff like that. So I just switched everything over then and started making our own. It's super fun. I love baking, and I mean, they're a great audience, right? They're a great audience to cook for. But today, since it's summertime and it's been super hot here with a very hot week coming up, I thought it would be the perfect time to share some cool dog treats that will help your dogs cool off in the summertime, and they are going to do well. Got my little recipe card book. I do kind of wing it though, I will tell you. It's not really a recipe that you can mess up. I promise your dogs are gonna love whatever you make. Okay, so I'm actually gonna be sharing 2 different recipes with you guys today. Both of them have 3 ingredients, so super easy to make a couple batches at once. I used to have a cute little paw print ice cube tray, but I can't find it anywhere, so found, and this is what we'll be using. So I'm just going to do half and half. For both recipes, you're going to need plain yogurt. For the first recipe that I'm going to make, we're going to use yogurt, a little bit of beef broth, and a little bit of peanut butter. So these are, I just call them cold peanut butter dog treats. And go ahead and add a cup of plain yogurt. I keep plain yogurt on hand because I actually use it in a lot of different recipes. It's a good replacement, a healthier replacement option for several different things. The other cool thing about these recipes is that you can intermix any of these ingredients according to what your dogs like. I've definitely added banana to this specific recipe. I've had honey with the peanut butter. Yeah, you can intermix any of the ingredients to kind of create your own and play with it and figure out what your dogs love best. And then half a cup of peanut butter. In here. Farmhouse, summertime. All right, and then I literally have written down a splash of beef broth. Just adds a little extra flavor. I've definitely done just beef broth frozen, and my dogs like that too. So simple. And if you didn't add the beef broth, this is a yummy treat for you too. FYI. It's like maybe 2 tablespoons when I say a splash. All right, I'm gonna mix it tray. Obviously you can put this in a mixer. I'm not gonna dirty up a mixer for 3-ingredient dog recipe, but that is up to you. We're actually keeping my sister's dog this weekend, so I thought this was an extra perfect timing for us to make some treats. All right, show you what this looks like. So good. Smells really good too. And I'm just gonna go ahead and spoon these in here. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then if I have leftover, which I think I will, you can always freeze it or refrigerate it and then freeze it later if you want it to be colder, which is probably what I'll do. I'll probably just put this bowl in the refrigerator in a covered container, or cover it, and then later, probably this weekend, since we have an extra mouth here, I can make another batch. Or maybe I'll be able to track down my cutie little paw prints. Okay, so I definitely have probably enough to make another row. And that's what that looks like. One recipe done. On to the next one. So for the next recipe, flip my page here. One banana, 2 tablespoons of honey, and again, a cup of plain yogurt. You can rinse this out or not. My dogs don't know that these are separate recipes, and they'll be happy to eat it if it has a little peanut butter in it, but I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it this time. It because this is going to be Scout's first time trying this recipe that I'm getting ready to make, and I want to see if she likes it. All right, the next recipe is called Cold Honey Banana Dog Treats. Again, 3 recipes. You can mash up a banana or chop up a banana for this recipe. My dogs like it both ways. This banana is pretty ripe, so I think it'll mash up really easily. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So 1 banana and a cup of plain yogurt. Then I'm going to add a little bit of honey. I think I have on there 2 tablespoons of honey. And then I'm just going to mix this all up. Fork. Mash up the banana a little easier. also, if you don't get all like the little banana pieces mashed up, your dogs won't complain about that either. Promise. You could substitute other fruits for this too if your dogs don't love bananas. Like blueberries, I've used blueberries. What else? Carrots. I love putting carrots in their whole treats too. Alright. I'm gonna leave this a little chunkier. I'll show you kind of the consistency that I have it. Yum, right? Alright. And then again, I'm just gonna go ahead, divvy it up. And then I just have a little bit left. I'm just gonna push this aside, the leftovers, and put this right in here with it. Ta-da! So I'll put it in the refrigerator for an hour or so. I mean, obviously they would eat it now. But I'm gonna let them get cold and frozen, and then I'll give them their treats in a little bit, and I'll show you guys how much they love them. All right, so I got their treats here. They're melting fast, it's hot. See if they like them. All right, Scout, come here, sit. That's so good. Here, Maverick, sit. Is that cold? Is it cold? Oh, that's good. It's ice cream. There you go. Is it so good? Best served outdoors. They can be messy. Oh, you guys want treats too? Are those so good, Scout? Yeah, is that so good? Is it good, Bubba? I didn't make any for you guys this time. So good. Well, those were a hit on a hot day, and I just know your dogs are gonna love them too. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Lots more recipes to come, including some human ones. Take care, guys. Much love.